we are gonna see how heavy this thing is and also what exactly comes inside. And yes, it does come with all of the little rocks. Looks like we have a pan, probably for the ashes in the bottom. Oh, a bunch of little screws also that spilled out all over the place. It does come with a cover. Oh, ooh, that's tough. Smells new. And we've got our manual. I'm a guy, I don't need that. And now for the main piece. Oh, wow, that is solid. Oh, that is such good quality. Foam, styrofoam. Some form of a grill. After you've taken everything and accounted for all of the inventory, you will note that there are only 3 legs, so don't be alarmed thinking that there are 4. But the first step is to actually mount the brackets so that this tray pan can slide in like this. Here's how we're going to situate it. So we've got this large piece right here, which is going to be facing me, along with this mounting bracket and this mounting bracket on my left and my right. Now, if you hold one like this, you'll see that there is an angle like this, and that angle is going to be pointing towards me as I put this on, and then using the included screws, I'm going to use my screw gun and put it on in. And then we're going to do the same with the other side, where you'll see that this angle is facing towards me, right on top of that mounting bracket. Nice. There's a small little tab like this that slides in and then down. And the base plate. And lastly, the flame ring. And then, of course, we have all the little beautiful rocks that you can sprinkle it around the edge. If you want to get something else, they do have some pretty cool fiberglass on Amazon that you can get pretty much any color that your heart desires, but you just sprinkle it around the edge. This really doesn't require a lot because you're not filling up this whole thing with rock. There's only about an inch or so around the edge, around the lip. For now, we're basically assembled. That's it, pretty easy. Let's start this thing up.